Okay, so this is my first video I do. I know it's going kind of fast, so I'm gonna start by prepping my skin. I just used a regular primer. I was trying the new Beauty Creations foundation. I really liked it a lot, so I just apply it, and I was just using a blending brush to apply it all over my face like this. And this foundation is full coverage and it feels super light, which I really like. To also set the foundation in place, I use some setting spray with the blending brush just to make sure that it sets all the way. For concealer, I'm trying the new MODT concealer. I really like it. I don't conceal. I only use light colors because it's cartoon makeup, so you don't want to add no like shadows or anything like that. You know, no contouring. And I'm gonna set the foundation with some powder, and I just apply it all over. I wanted my face to look flat, as like no color as possible. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to do most of this makeup, so I'm gonna start by outlining my eyebrows. And I use those dots just so I know where my eyebrow starts. I have my eyebrows tattooed and they're not even, so it's hard to do my eyebrows. I struggle a lot. It's like my biggest regret, getting them tattooed. I'm sick, I'm sorry. So I'm just, you know, drawing them in, looking like a chola. And I'm gonna use the flat brush just to clean the excess, but just so the eyebrows have a better shape to them. For the colors, I'm gonna use the Alicia palette from Beauty Creations, and I chose green. Glitter, I like glitter, so I used the JC Cat glitter. I feel like it's gonna make the look pop a little bit more. And I'm just pretty much applying it all over my eyelid. It's not perfect, but I feel like it's just gonna add color to it, make it more greener. So I just used a flat brush with some glitter glue. Okay, so damn, it's going fast. I used a liquid eyeliner again, the e.l.f. one, to create a wing liner. And I'm surprised looking at the video how my eyeliner skills are. I didn't think they were that good. You know, just making it all sharp like a chola. So I really like the e.l.f. eyeliner. It's really dark. So, and then I'm gonna use the same eyeliner and I'm gonna outline the top of my eyelid. And just doing this already, it makes the eyes kind of look more like cartoonish. Kind of gives it like a Indian Arabic look to it. So I'm just outlining. I'm gonna use the Italia white eyeliner, and I'm gonna add that to my waterline to make my eyes appear a little bit bigger. And then I'm gonna go with the eyeliner again and try to connect the eyeliner and draw extra lashes. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the top and try to connect the eyeliner a little bit more, just so it looks more like a cartoon character makeup already. So where I drew the lines is where the eyeliner was cracking because I have little wrinkles under my eyes. I just used some regular eyelashes. They're super long. I had them in my dresser. I think they're Beauty Creation lashes. For my lips, I went with some pink. And when I was outlining my lips, I went outside my lips to make my lips look bigger. As you can see right here, I'm outlining outside my lips just to give them a bigger appearance, because when I put the black eyeliner, it's going to make it look smaller. I used some pink glitter. I bought this one at the 99-cent store with some J-Cat glitter glue as well, and I used a flat brush to put it on my lips. And like I said, I love glitter and I feel like it makes everything pop a little more. So I'm just using the flat brush to apply the glitter all over. Gonna go back with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to kind of draw on my face what I want to pop out. You know, I'll line my lips kind of like a chola. I know I keep saying it. Because, you know, when you see cartoons, it makes it, these are like the areas that are popping out. So I'm just going to be outlining my lips. This is like the contouring kind of that I wanted to achieve. I felt like now looking at the video, I think I did my line under my chin a little too thick. Kind of makes me feel like I have a beard, but I like how it looked anyways. I didn't think I was gonna be able to create this look, so I'm just glad that I did. So I'm pushing my headband back a little bit, and I'm doing more outline around my face just to make it more cartoonish. Like this, kind of like a heart almost. All right, and then I added more eyeliner for my chin, and I frowned at my face and I did those 2 lines to make it look like you can see my forehead. I used some face paint that I got from Halloween, and I used the back of a brush to do those little dots just to make it more like pop art. Came out pretty nice. I actually like it. And now I'm gonna use the liquid eyeliner, and then I went with the brush with some of that face paint to add more detail, you know, and done. I hope that you guys like it. Thank you.